Tile is the most beautiful, durable, and waterproof flooring choice. Now, we have revolutionized tile to install over 2 times faster with RevoTile, a new patented floating floor system with exclusive clicking technology. Installs in just 3 easy steps. Prep. Click. And grout. Love the beauty of real porcelain tile with unmatched durability in a variety of premium, high-style looks. Wood, marble, stone, and concrete. With all the benefits of porcelain tile, waterproof, stain-proof, dent-proof, and scratch-resistant. And when the full system is used, receive a residential lifetime warranty. Be a part of the tile revolution. Real beauty, real porcelain, real fast. With RevoTile.